Robert back here. Welcome to another edition of the Coffee Challenge. As you can see back there in the background, picked me up a camp light from my buddy Lenny earlier this week. Fired it up. I got it pushing a 300 to 400 candle power mantle. Good looking old lantern, big hat. Love it. Okay, I'm gonna grind a little coffee here. Get back with you when I get that done. Okay, my buddy Paul over at the Real 111T channel. He is Trangia man, buddy. Anyway, he put me onto this. It's not a Trangia brand, but it's a it's a I can't even remember the brand. It's a knockoff brand, but it's built very similar to the Trangia kits. And hey, this really cheap. I mean, it wasn't bad compared to a Trangia kit at all. And a really nice kit, with the exception of the strap. The strap is junk, let me tell you. So if you plan on getting one of these, get you a new strap. Go with it. This pretty neat little cook system. Got the lid, which doubles as a skillet or plate. Got a pot lifter handle for your skillet. Comes with an alcohol burner, and I wouldn't recommend carrying alcohol in that. Store it in your cook kit. I mean, I put some in here just now just for the video, but I haven't been packing it around, so I mean, probably a Trangia brand or even an Esbit brand, probably a little bit better. A little leak proof. This one is not quite leak proof, so, but the kit itself I like. Comes with the burner. Sit right down in there. Windscreen. Comes with 2 nesting bowls or pots, whatever you want to use them for. You can use them as a bowl or a pot. Right now, I'm just going to use the small one. That's all I need. Let's go ahead and light this and let it be warming up and get to a bloom. Okay, looks like it's starting to bloom. Not sure how much water I put in there. Probably 16 ounces, just guessing, give or take. I'm going to use that pot grabber to set that down in there, because those flames could come up the side of there. All right. Get back with you when this warms up. Check the time. When I put that water on there, it was 9:53, and it's now 9:57. Got a little simmer going on. I don't know if you can see that from the angle or not, but it's getting ready to come to a boil. I have took the lid off that a couple times. 9:53, now 9:58. We got a hard rolling bull. So that was roughly 5 minutes. And hard rolling bull. See if we can extinguish this fire without burning ourselves. Okay, I got this little cup I use for my pour over. I found it at Goodwill. It came in a little glass cup, but I don't like drinking my coffee out of a glass cup. And it works well, but it's kind of small. It wants to fall down inside the bigger cups. It works well on a small cup. So I just took this little piece of scrap aluminum flashing, cut me a circle out in it. I can set that on top of my cup. And it's kind of tapered here on the bottom. I can set the tapered end right down in that hole I cut out in the flashing. Let's see if we can pour this without making a mess. Well, it might help if we put a little coffee in it. What do you think? Try this again. Working like a charm. See where we're at. We don't want to, we're about halfway. Might have boiled just enough water. I don't mind if I stir my coffee with a dowel rod, do you? I'm gonna top that off with a little cold water because I'm not a real big hot coffee fan. I like it hot, but not too hot. And when that water is at a rolling boil, that's just a little too hot for me. It ought to do the trick right there. That's some good coffee. I don't know if it's just good or if it's just good because I don't sit down and drink it like I used to. I'm working so much. So I still drink it while I'm working, but that's store-bought coffee. That's different. Alrighty. Guess this cup better go out to somebody. Let's send this one out to 2 people. Buddy over at Harrison Hills. Man, I still got your little percolator. I was going to take it to the shop, to the post office when I took my lantern vise, but I had it locked up in the shop and I hadn't found a box to put it in yet. And Kenny, man, I've still got your 502. I can't find a box to fit that thing in, which I haven't been looking that hard either, but I've looked some. I mean, we used to get some boxes like that in regular at work, that size that I needed, and haven't seen any come through lately. And but man, I'll get it out to you. Hey, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.